Hello everyone, I'm the Enforcer, and welcome to the Day 95 summary. Here in this first clip we can see Ukrainian armed forces ambushing a Russian convoy on the highway. Here in this next clip we can see Ukrainian armed forces destroying a BTR with a drone. Of course, this is somewhat standard fare. We've seen the Ukrainians using drones a very high degree during the course of this war, and we can still see that they're using them with a great deal of success. One thing that's interesting to note about this video with the BTR is that there was actually a crew member that flipped off this specific drone before it began to obliterate the BTR. Unfortunately, I cannot find that actual clip to download, and so I sadly cannot show that version, but I can assure you that that man will not be flipping off drones anymore. We can now see them taking a look at the damage with the normal camera, and we can see that that BTR has now burned to a crisp. Here we can see Ukrainian soldiers and Russian soldiers actually engaging in some trench warfare. The Russians and the Ukrainians get in a grenade duel, as is normal in trench warfare. Either it's nearly hand-to-hand combat, or grenades are used. And we can see here that the Russians are trying to use a decent amount of grenades, but the Ukrainian soldier here keeps on throwing them back out of his side, part of the trench, or the grenades are missing him. Well, you see that the Ukrainian is holding off about 5 Russian soldiers entirely on his own, and he is still in there, lobbing back the grenades that they're throwing at him back at them. Sadly, it looks like a grenade did explode directly into his trench, but we do know that he continued on for a little while longer, and he did manage to take out one Russian soldier before he could succumb to his injuries. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe because we upload these daily summaries every single day of the week, and we also run nightly streams at 10 p.m. Eastern Time every single day of the week, except for Mondays covering the past 24 hours of the war in Ukraine. Thank you all, and I will see you in the next one.